Okay, yeah, that's right. So here we are with Painter Patrick here at RPM headquarters in Racing Roseville. Patrick, we did the timing, and this is the little care package we set him up with. What do you think, Patrick? Is that enough for? I know you gave me 3 free days of wet sanding and buffing. I'm sure this doesn't pay for all of that, but
it does.
I wanted to do something nice for you because you did something very nice for me, and we appreciate that kick-ass paint job. Even if we had issues, now it's taken care of.
It is, yes.
It's gonna make that go-kart look so nice.
Oh yeah.
People are going to see that thing and just be blown away, and it's due to his hard work. So yes, we got his engine all timed up for him. We marked his timing down.
That's my fault.
A few other things.
I fried my ignition system playing around, so Robert taught me better.
So
straighten me out.
Yeah, we're gonna send him home with a new package of tools to play with. We ran him through how to use them and stuff, and then if you ever need any refresher course, we're giving him the certificate. He passed the course. So now we're gonna go out to lunch and celebrate. So for me and Patrick and Chuck.
Yep.
We're saying ciao and bow wow from Racing Roseville. See y'all.
All right.